Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most practical skills for WordPress site owners. How to easily give your users access to a PDF or any restricted file immediately after they submit a form. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your site so that visitors can download files only after completing your form, perfect for ebooks, coupons, or any resource you'd like to offer behind a simple gate. So let's dive right in. The trick here is to display a download link or even redirect users right after they've submitted your form. It's the easiest way to securely share files with your audience, so let's start by getting everything set up. First, we need to upload your PDF or whatever file you want users to get. In WordPress, just head over to Media, then click Add New. Drag and drop your file into your media library. Once the upload finishes, click the file and copy the URL you see on the right. Think of this URL like the address to your file. We'll use it later so folks can actually access the download. If the file is sensitive, make sure you're okay with it being accessible by direct link. For more protection, there are advanced plugins, but for most cases, this works really well. Next up, let's get your form ready. You'll want a plugin like WPForms or Formidable Forms. These let you build custom forms in just a few clicks. So create a new form or edit an existing one. You could go with a simple name and email form or add more fields as you need, whatever suits the file you're offering. Here's where the magic happens, configuring the confirmation message. Inside your form plugin, go to Settings and find the Confirmations or Actions and Notifications section. This is what controls what the user sees right after they hit that Submit button. You'll usually have two choices here. You can either show a custom message or redirect the user to another URL. If you choose the Show Message option, you can get creative. Paste in your download link right into the message. Something friendly like, "Thank you for submitting the form." Download your file here, with a hyperlink to the file's URL you copied earlier. For those of you using WPForms Pro, you can take it a step further and use the file block to create a stylish download button, which looks more modern and enticing. Alternatively, if you'd prefer not to put the link in the message, you can choose to redirect to URL. Here's a neat tip. If you drop the file URL here after submission, the user will be sent straight to the file. Usually PDFs open in the browser, but the user can then easily download it from there. For something a bit more polished, you could create a dedicated thank you page on your site. Add a button or some context about the file, and use that page's URL in the redirect option. That way, users land somewhere nice and branded before grabbing their download. Once your confirmation is set, save your form. Don't forget to embed it onto your chosen page, either via shortcode or a block, so your users can actually find and use the form. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you're protecting your files and delivering them efficiently, no complicated membership sites or code required. If you run into any hiccups, take a breath and double-check your links and settings. Sometimes the simplest things like a missing HTTPS can trip us up. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or want advice on securing your files further, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to like the video if this helped you out, and subscribe for more easy, actionable WordPress tips every week. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.